Hey guys, this is example 2 in 7.5 notes. The direction says find the exact value of each. That means you may not use a calculator. So if you look at the expression, cosine of 40 degrees times cosine of 80 degrees minus sine of 40 degrees times sine of 80 degrees. And you can't use a calculator because the direction says find the exact value. So how is that possible? How is this possible? We don't know 40 degrees. We know 30 degrees. We know 45 degrees. We know 60 degrees. And we know 90 degrees and all the multiples, right? How do they expect us to find cosine of 40 degrees and cosine of 80 degrees without a calculator? Do you see or do you recognize this expression from one of the identities that we have written somewhere up here? Up here. You mean this? What? Wow, yeah, that's what we're going to use. Here we go. We are now going to go backwards, okay? Cosine of alpha, this is the identity that we wrote above, times cosine of beta minus sine of alpha times sine of beta. According to the identity, this is a sum of cosine, okay? So what does that mean? It means that alpha, okay, is 40 degrees and beta is 80 degrees. So I'm going to use this right here. So cosine of alpha plus beta is really cosine of 40 degrees plus 80 degrees. Oops. Which is cosine of 120 degrees. Yay! Okay, 120 degrees, it's in quadrant number 2. So I know my answer is going to be negative. And from your unit circle, you should know that it is a negative 1/2. Okay, now I would like for you to attempt B on your own. So if you're watching this video right now, I would like you to pause it, or the person that's in charge of the class, pause it right now so you can come up with an answer. Now that you have tried it on your own, let's work it out together. So according to the expression, tangent of 40 degrees minus tangent of 10 degrees, all divided by 1 plus tangent of 40 degrees times tangent of 10 degrees. Because the numerator has a minus, according to my formula that we have written up here, because it starts with a minus, I know that this is a difference. See this right here? This is a difference of tangent. So I'm going to write the identity first, okay? So tangent of alpha minus tangent of beta all over 1 plus tangent of alpha times tangent of beta. This equals to the difference of alpha minus beta, okay? Well, I know that 40 degrees is alpha and 10 degrees is beta. So that's what I'm going to write. Alpha equals 40 degrees and beta equals 10 degrees. I'm going to use the formula. Tangent of alpha minus beta is tangent of 40 degrees minus 10 degrees, which is tangent of 30 degrees, okay? So 30 degrees is in quadrant number 1, okay? So it's going to be 1 over 2. I'm sorry, not 1 over 2. What am I saying? I was looking at sine. I want tangent, which is opposite, opposite over adjacent. Okay, so opposite is 1 over adjacent. It's rad 3, so this is really rad 3 over 3. Okay. All right, so this is it for this video. So I'm going to give you a little joke before we end the video. What did the picture say to the wall? So what did the picture say to the wall? I have been framed. Get it? The picture has a frame around it. Ha ha. All right, until next time.